Here's how I image transfer photographs that I've printed out on a laser printer onto canvas or board. You'll need some matte medium, some wax paper, a paintbrush, and a wedge. So I start by applying matte medium or fluid matte medium liberally to the front of the image. And we want to get it nice and even all over, right to the edges. And then take your surface, whether it's a canvas like mine, or a board or a piece of paper, and do the same. Cover it entirely, making sure you get right to the edges. Now take the image face down, place it on top of the board, and try to get all the air bubbles out, pressing from the middle out. I put a piece of deli paper on top to help with this, and then take it off and just continue making sure there's contact. I leave it for about 3 minutes, and then I start to peel the paper off. The backing edge of the paper will come off in little layers. Not all of it comes off at once. I'll rub around the edges until I get most of that back paper off, and then I'll leave it for about 45 minutes before I come back and try to get the rest of the paper off. But you can already see for this one that some of the image is clearly showing through. Some places the paper's coming off a little more easily than in other places. You can always use a shop cloth to do this, as long as you're not too rough when you're rubbing the paper underneath, because it's still a bit fragile. So I've left it about 45 minutes, and then I've liberally sprayed it with my spray bottle. That's just a little water. And now I've got my shop towel out, and I'm rubbing the rest of that backing paper off. Now, if it doesn't all come off this time round, I'll sometimes wait another 45 minutes to an hour and try again with the spray bottle and then the rubbing until it gets nice and smooth and you can see the images coming up. And I'm not too worried in this case with seeing little bits of the paper coming all the way off. I like a bit of a distressed look here.